Welcome to Module 2. In Module 1, we built you a foundation, what AI is, how it works, where it's heading. Now we shift to strategy, why AI matters for your organization specifically, and how to identify the opportunities worth pursuing. Let's start with the most practical question. What can AI actually do for different parts of your business? I'm going to walk through 5 core business functions: human resources, finance, marketing, operations, and customer service. For each one, I will highlight use cases that can deliver real value. These aren't speculative possibilities. They're applications that organizations are using successfully. As we go through these, I want you to think about your own organization. Which of these use cases resonate with you? Where are your pain points? Where could efficiency gains make a meaningful difference? Let's begin with human resources. Recruiting and talent acquisition is one of the most mature areas for AI in HR. AI can screen resumes at scale, matching candidates to job requirements and identifying qualified applicants that might otherwise be overlooked in a large pool. It can also help reduce unconscious bias if designed carefully by focusing on skills and qualifications rather than demographic signals. Employee onboarding benefits from AI-powered assistants that can answer new hire questions, guide them through paperwork and training, and personalize the onboarding experience based on role and location. Internal knowledge management is another high-value area. AI can help employees find answers in policy documents, benefits information, and company resources, thus reducing the load on HR teams for routine inquiries. Workforce analytics, predicting attrition risk, identifying skill gaps, optimizing workforce planning allows HR to be more strategic and proactive. Moving to finance. Fraud detection is perhaps the most established AI use case in finance. Machine learning models analyze transaction patterns in real time, flagging anomalies that might indicate fraud. These systems catch threats that rule-based approaches would miss. Financial forecasting and planning benefit from AI's ability to identify patterns in historical data and external signals. Demand and volume forecasting, revenue projections, cash flow modeling all become more accurate when machine learning supplements traditional methods. Accounts payable and receivable automation are growing areas. AI can extract data from invoices using a technique called OCR, match them to purchase orders, flag discrepancies, and accelerate processing, reducing manual work and errors. And compliance monitoring, scanning transactions, communications, and documents for regulatory issues helps organizations stay ahead of risk. Now, marketing, where AI has become deeply embedded. Personalization at scale is the headline use case. AI enables marketers to deliver personalized content, product recommendations, and messaging to individual customers, something impossible to do manually across thousands or millions of touchpoints. Content creation and optimization are accelerating, with expectations on very high post frequencies while maintaining quality. AI can generate first drafts or marketing copy, create variations for A/B testing, and optimize headlines and calls to action based on performance data. Customer segmentation has moved beyond simple demographics. AI can identify behavioral segments, predict customer lifetime value, and help marketers focus resources on the highest potential audiences. And campaign analytics and attribution. Understanding what's working and why becomes more sophisticated when AI can analyze complex, multi-touch customer journeys. Operations is where AI often delivers the clearest, most measurable return on investment. Supply chain optimization leverages AI to forecast demand, optimize inventory levels, and improve logistics. In a world of supply chain complexity, the ability to anticipate and adapt is a competitive advantage. Quality control uses computer vision and machine learning to detect defects faster and more consistently than human inspection, particularly for high-volume manufacturing. And then we have process automation using AI to handle document processing, data entry, and routine decisions, which frees up skilled workers for higher value tasks. Finally, customer service, one of the most visible areas of AI deployment. Something a lot of you might already be using are advanced chatbots and virtual assistants. that can help handle a significant portion of customer inquiries, like answering questions, processing simple requests, and routing complex issues to human agents. Done well, this improves customer satisfaction by providing instant responses while reducing costs. AI can support human agents in real time with suggesting responses, pulling up relevant customer history, and recommending next best actions. This makes agents more effective and reduces training time. Sentiment analysis helps organizations understand customer emotions across interactions, identifying frustrated customers for proactive outreach and spotting system issues before they escalate. And then we have ticket routing and prioritization, which uses AI to direct inquiries to the right team, escalate urgent issues, and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. This also includes sorting, ranking, and answering emails that customer service receives. Now, let me step back and offer some observations across all of these. First, notice that the most successful use cases share common characteristics. They involve high volume, lots of transactions, documents, or decisions. They have clear success criteria. You can measure whether the AI is working, and they benefit from pattern recognition, finding signals in data that humans might miss or couldn't process at scale. Second, the best implementations augment humans rather than replace them entirely. AI handles the routine, the repetitive, the high volume, freeing people to handle expectations, build relationships, and exercise judgments. Third, these use cases exist on a spectrum of maturity. Fraud detection and recommendation engines have years of proven deployment. AI-generated content and agentic workflows are newer. Your strategy should balance quick wins in mature areas with thoughtful experiments in emerging ones. In the next lecture, we'll look at what your competitors are likely doing, because AI strategy doesn't happen in a vacuum.